All right, so I'm here. My daughter's Bronco. So common thing with these OBS type Fords. You pull on the door handle too hard, they break. So you gotta take the door panel off. There was a screw there before. It wasn't supposed to be there, but anyway, there's a little screw that goes in right there. I took it out already. A little tiny head. I used a 7/32 socket. It was probably metric, like a 6 or something. And looks like this takes like a T style, a star thing, and then this one is a Phillips. So I'm gonna take those out and I'll be back. All right, got the panel off. It's got a bunch of these. You can just pull it, get your fingers underneath the bottom, just kind of pull it away, and then you have to lift up to get the top out of this part. Oh, this sucks. Okay. All right, so it looks like it got a bit of an issue with this. Whole thing's moving. This is loose. That one's good. That one's good. Let me tighten this up. I gotta spray this down. It looks all crusty. So this is the bolt that holds the handle on. It goes right here, like that. So anyway, this is a what size is this? 5/16. I'm gonna go get some spray, some WD or something, and see if I can lube that up. Also, this kind of sticks. It's a little hard at first, so I'm gonna spray that too. So I ended up buying some of this just to see. He says it smells really good, so it's like WD. Let's find out. It's got kind of a weird smell. I'm not gonna lie. It smells a little weird. I don't like it. It smells funny. I guess I prefer the WD and PB Blaster smell. That's not my favorite. Sorry, buddy. Okay, so we went to Pick and Pull a while back, and we got 2 door handles. Our original ones are black. You can see that. Not really. Yeah. Anyway, so they only go on one way, and it has on the thing this little ear right here, and it matches. And it matches with this. Oh dang, I grabbed the wrong one again. Yeah. A little notch. Matches that notch. Bam. Let's put the screw back in. And put the door panel back on. Yep, right there. T20.